All right, I'm sitting here watching this market, right, and we're pushing to the upside. What I like about this trade in particular, let me go ahead and enter this trade really quick. My entry is going to change just a little bit, but what I like about this trade in particular is the clean traffic we have here. We have a clean traffic push to the downside. We have consolidation and what looks to be like a clear path back up. Now, I'm going to explain what that means in a second. Let me just take this trade. Okay, so I'm currently in this trade. Go to positions. As you can see, we took 3 positions on NASDAQ. Let me turn my brightness down. 3 positions on NASDAQ right now, floating at about $7,000 profit. But what I mean by clean traffic, right, is very, very, very simple. What we have is a push to the downside where price didn't have any support, didn't have any resistance, didn't have any issues falling. We were able to just completely drop. Boom, 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 boom. We then consolidate a little bit, push back up, and now have clean traffic to the upside, meaning there's no resistance, there's no supports that can really stop us. There's micro supports, micro resistances, but overall, it's a clean pathway up. Clean traffic equals no resistance, no supports, nothing in our way. Price is pushing decently here. I believe price can actually come up and at least at worst hit this previous resistance here. That will be my main target. As price pushes up, I'll close maybe half my profit and let the rest run. But it's a beautiful setup, very, very, very simple, and yeah, I think this thing is going to make some movement here. See what it wants to do. US 30, very similar. I mean, it's pushing as well. There's clean traffic here as well, actually. It's not bad. Could definitely make a very similar move to the upside. A little bit too late to enter that position. Our stops would be on that candle, which I don't like, but it's a decent move as well. NASDAQ's pushing very nicely right now, though. Very, very nicely. This could be a very, very big trade. Look at that. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let's see what happens, man. This thing is pushing. It's pushing like crazy. We have a small zone. I mean, this, I wouldn't really call that a zone. This would probably be our first real major zone where it's like, okay, something's going on here. Wow. I'm going to get me some water and be back. Hopefully it has some profits, huh? On my fitness journey, so I got me a nice can of water. It's diet though, so I don't want to hear shit. Guys, we're still running right now, as you can see. Just about $70,000 in profit. Very nice. Very, very nice. It's pushing. It's pushing. So what I'm going to do here, just to show you guys kind of what makes the most sense now that we're at about a 1-to-1, I'm going to close one of my positions at about, give it a second, $20,000 profit. So one position has been closed with $20,000 profit. We now have 2 more positions open with nearly $40,000 in profit. So guaranteed 20K. We'll see what happens after that, though. I surrender. This is the fun part where we just kind of sit back and watch it. If you guys would like to join the live trading room and catch all of these live trades with me, the price has gone from $99 per month to only $39. So for $39, which is the same price as the Hulu subscription or Netflix subscription, you can now trade live with me every single morning, copy these trades, and do exactly what I do, just like that. Not only that, but there's a fitness section, there is a psychology section, there is a investing section where we invest in crypto, stocks, all kinds of good stuff, man. So you guys are missing out if you're not in the room. $39 a month. I made it affordable for everybody for a reason. I want everybody to succeed. The only reason it's not free is because if I made it free, we'd have a bunch of people in there spamming and acting crazy. So instead, I made it very, very cheap. We're now pushing to that next level, which we could see a little bit of stray here on this resistance. Currently up, as you guys can see, 30,000 on one position. I'm going to close the $30,000 position. I now have one more position running. I'll let this run free. Currently up $50,000 on this trade with $27,000 floating. I will let this push. If this pushes all the way, we'll close. If not, stops are to break even on this. So guaranteed $50,000, maybe even more if this thing keeps pushing. Very simple way to trade. And very effective way of trading, opening multiple positions and closing along the way. So let this thing go. One thing you have to have as a trader is a very strong mindset. And the reason I say that is it's simple, right? I have another $25,000, $30,000 floating right now. That's a lot of money. Right? That is a lot of money. I could close that now and say, hey, I made 80K for the day. Or I could say, you know what? I made 50K. I'm happy with that. Let's wait. And what if this ends up turning into $60,000, $70,000 worth of profit just on this one position? Then instead I made $110,000, right? You got to look at it like that. You have to look at it like that because guess what? If I just close now and I only make 80K, tomorrow if this was tomorrow if I lose and all 3 positions hit stop loss, then what? I'm barely above break even. You have to be able to hold these trades for longer and see the whole position play out. A lot of these guys that teach, they don't teach that aspect of trading. They don't teach the part where it's like, okay, you have to have a strong mindset. You can't just get out because it's like, I'm up and this is good money. It's like, no, we need to look at what's going to happen tomorrow, right? Are we going to get stopped out tomorrow? And if we do, did we make enough today to cover those losses? For me, I need to. So I think we got some big news coming in the next couple minutes. So yeah, 6:59 or 1 minute at this point. Today's the 5th. So what do we have? Fucking ISM, PMI. Okay. ISM, PMI. Here we go. Right here. This happens in 30 seconds. It's either going to kill the trade or make the trade. As soon as that thing pushes, we're going to have to make a decision. It's the fun part, right? It's fun trading with news. Gotta love this right here. See what happens on this push. We have another 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, whatever. Come on. Let's go the proper way, huh? Let's go up higher. Okay. That was anticlimactic right there. Nothing crazy. Huh. I wonder what US 30 ended up doing. Oh, you didn't end up doing much, did it? Just kind of paused right where it's at. Okay. We didn't miss out there or anything, did it? Come on, come on, come on. The heck did my brightness shoot down? Another rule you kind of have to play into with trading is the time game, right? How long are you willing to hold these trades for? We have news events going on. We've been holding this trade now for not too long, but the longer we wait, the more our chances of it reversing on us do become. So we do have to also, keep that in mind when we're trading. Like, yeah, of course I want this to hit all the way up to that major resistance up there, but at the end of the day, we're already at a resistance and we're kind of rejecting just a little bit. If I see a bearish candle come in on a smaller time frame, and I'll probably go down to the 5, maybe even the 1 to see. If I have 2 bearish candles in a row, which this is not a good look here, I will close this trade, close this position, secure the extra profit, and go from there. But as of now, if this holds, because we have a micro support here on the 1, then we'll be fine. But again, if this breaks below, it's pretty much just time to get out at that point. Let's see what happens. So we had the bearish closure there. This candle looks to be a little bearish. We'll see. We'll see right now, guys. See, I don't like that push there. I don't like that push there at this resistance. So I'm going to actually end up closing this trade. I'll show you guys where I'm at. Oh, just the brightness too high again. Probably end up closing this trade here. It's at 18K, 20K. I mean, we're pushing back up. Just want to kind of see how this closes, and then we'll go from there. But I want you guys to be able to see the numbers. Let's see. Maybe that brightness is a little too low. 17K right there. I'm going to end up closing this position right here about $15,000. So we are up $65,000 for the day. A beautiful trade. You can see it's starting to come down now. But yeah, we're up $65,000. Pretty solid day. Pretty solid day. It is what it is. Hope you guys got some knowledge out of this. If you guys would like to trade live with me every single day, make sure you guys click the link down below. Join the kingdom. A lot more than just trading. But again, for $39 a month, it's unbeatable. The prices are unbeatable. So hope you guys enjoyed, and we will come back and go live again soon.